What's up everyone? Float Wizard here, and I have a question for you. Have you been hypnotized before? If not, that is about to change. I want you to focus on these two playing cards and the sound of my voice. Focus on nothing but these two cards and the sound of my voice. It's gonna happen on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. It's done. You are now completely hypnotized. Keep focusing on these cards, and I want you to imagine the cards fusing together, swirling, spiraling, fusing together, becoming one. It's working? Also, I want you to make sure you hit the like button. Okay, the illusion only lasts for just a bit before the cards go right back to their original selves. If this worked for you, let me know in the comments below. But for now, I've got some writing to get back to.